Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brawl Stars store. To begin, simply launch the Brawl Stars application on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, navigate your gaze towards the bottom right corner. You'll spot a distinct shopping cart icon there. Tapping this icon is the sole, official method to enter the in-game store and explore all its offerings. It's a straightforward process, ensuring a secure and legitimate shopping experience within the game. Once inside the store, you'll notice it's neatly divided into various sections. Typically, you'll find areas like daily deals, offering limited-time discounts and special offers, which might include exclusive brawler bundles or unique skins. There's also a dedicated section for gem packs, where you can purchase the game's premium currency. Understanding these divisions helps you quickly locate exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a new brawler or a stylish accessory for your favorite character. To make a purchase, simply tap on the item you desire. Whether it's a new brawler, a skin, or a gem pack, the game will guide you through the transaction. For items requiring real-world currency, you'll be directed to your device's app store, such as the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, to complete the payment securely. Always ensure your payment information is up to date and that you are making purchases through official channels to protect your account and personal data. Remember, the only secure and legitimate way to acquire items in Brawl Stars is through the official in-game store. Avoid any third-party websites or offers that promise free gems or discounted items, as these are often scams designed to compromise your account. Keep an eye on the daily deals and special offers, as these frequently provide excellent value. By sticking to the official store, you ensure a safe, fair, and enjoyable experience while expanding your collection of brawlers and cosmetics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.